motor does some strange noises. I'll check how long I can fly. I think 10 minutes should be possible, but I have never tried it with this model. Okay, the guy went the other way. So I'll try she's climbing a bit because of the flaps. Now just gliding. Now coming. A bit afraid of stalling because I stalled a bit the F-16, but this was maybe a too heavy battery, and she flies pretty nice, even slow. I will try a pass from this side. Gentle on the throttle, too much. Now looking how slow she can go. I come out too high from the turns always. A bit of power there, just in case, and glide. That was like a high alpha. I almost forgot I cannot do a high alpha with this. Maybe I can, but I don't wanna risk a crash now. Some lights would be really cool. Well, let's try like a tail touch here. Ui. Okay, it was too much. I'm on. I don't know if I can throw her. Normally, probably yes.
Timer over 7 minutes 21 seconds. Timer over 6 minutes 1
Okay,
seconds.
so I think it's like 10 minutes of flight time. Let's see. Oh, maybe it wasn't such a good idea to do that touch and go, but okay, that is clean. So I would like to give it another try. The wind was coming from there, I think. I don't know. It's not a safe mode, it's just a gyro. I'll try if she can. But the wind is coming from there, I think. Okay, or there. Let's look. Okay, so no wind. Give her a try. Oi. And see if she wants to fly again. Full gas. Half flaps. Oi. She had a lot of thrust power, but I did something wrong, and I had no enough aileron control. One wing was stalling. Okay, I don't know it. No, the gyro would be helping, but if the one wing is stalling, then putting that aileron down makes her stall more. So it's a circle, vicious circle, that I have experienced now a couple of times with bad starts, and also throwing the plane's not so good with the small F-16, and this also come out of the flaps. The bug is still very a lot of power still. She had a lot of she was blowing a lot, but now it's getting dark. My fingers are also cold.
Time
9 minutes over, so it's like 12 minutes of flight time. Throttle time over 25%. Let's do a low pass. Oh, it's a bit far away. And now a fast pass. Going down. You can tell. Okay, that was the ESC cutting down a bit. I suppose I have 2.8 volts maybe of cutoff. Try another, or maybe here near me. Cut off on the turn would be now full gas. Oh no, it was okay. The sound was like it was a cut off before, but now it was okay. The wind is coming from the south. Take care of the people. Now glide in. Takeoff flaps. So the video will be very long. Gentle turn. Right turn, it's my not so good side. Take care of the... Oh, it was like I stall a bit too much rudder. Landing flaps. Ooh. Oi. That was throttle. So let's take a lipo checker. Look. Ah. I forgot to put the flaps up, but maybe they helped. Okay, look. Hopefully camera is working. That turn, that last turn was with cut off, but the grass is pretty soft. Mole hole. Okay. Okay. So flaps up. Everything okay. Super. And however, the pack is not warm. Just lightly. 3 volts. So I could even try full gas to look what how it's the pack, if you see. 2.5. Okay, that was really the end of this flight. But now look, 11 or 10:30, and now clear 10:30. So 14 and 5 and 40 14 and 40, almost 15 minutes of flight time. I was doing a couple of fast passes, so flying a bit slower. Normally I would do 50 minutes 15 minutes of flight time and or gas time, and probably much less or more flight time, even more flight time. So let's turn the camera off and take this garbage. So thanks for watching, and okay.